Apple is getting ready to launch its next budget-friendly iPhone, and it's going to be quite different from the older SE models. Instead of sticking to the old iPhone 8 style design, this new model will look more like the iPhone 14. While some rumors called it the iPhone SE 2025, it now seems likely that Apple will name it the iPhone 16e. The biggest change is the design. Unlike the last SE model, which had a home button and thick bezels, the iPhone 16e will have a sleek, boxy design like the iPhone 14. That means no more Touch ID, and it might use Face ID or another unlocking method instead. The display is also getting a big upgrade. Apple is switching from the old LCD screen to a 6.1-inch OLED panel. This means brighter colors, deeper blacks, and a more premium feel. However, it will likely have a 60Hz refresh rate, meaning it won't be as smooth as the Pro models with ProMotion. Another major change is the camera setup. While it will still have a single camera, Apple is stepping things up with a 48MP sensor, similar to what we see on the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. This means much better photo quality and 2x zoom capability without losing image detail. However, there won't be an ultrawide lens like in the Pro models. Even though this is Apple's budget iPhone, it won't be slow. The iPhone 16e will feature the same A18 chip found in the upcoming iPhone 16 series. That means it will be just as powerful, handling apps, games, and even Apple Intelligence features with ease. Additionally, Apple is doubling the RAM to 8GB, which should make multitasking smoother than ever. Whether you're switching between apps or editing photos, you can expect a fast and responsive experience. For the first time, the SE model is ditching the Lightning port in favor of USB-C, following the trend of newer iPhones. However, don't get too excited. It's expected to have USB 2.0 speeds, meaning slower data transfer compared to the Pro models. The MagSafe feature will also make its way to this model, allowing for wireless charging with MagSafe accessories, something previous SE models lacked. So when can we expect to see this new iPhone? Based on leaks, Apple might announce it on the 19th of February, 2025. The pricing is expected to be around $479, making it an attractive option for those looking for a high-performance iPhone at a lower cost. This price point positions it as a great choice for users who don't want to spend over $1,000 on flagship iPhones. If you're using an iPhone 8, SE 2020, or even an iPhone XR, this could be the perfect upgrade. Since Apple might use the 16e branding instead of SE, it's possible they are trying to separate this model from the usual budget lineup. While it won't have the highest end features like multiple cameras or a ProMotion display, it still brings a lot of value for the price. What do you think? Would you buy the iPhone 16e, or are you waiting for something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.